Hello viewers, and we know that fall is here and the sumac trees and the maple trees are turning their leaves into red, yellow and all shades of that sort. Here I have in front of me a non-poisonous sumac tree with its all shades of yellow, red and all vibrant colors. So you can see in this tree you can see green leaves and then red, darker red, yellows and then green and yellow. So in this video I'm gonna throw some light on the chemistry of these fall colors in these leaves. So in here you can see these leaves are all green. Here you can see some of the greens turning to the yellow. Okay, the leaves right here, these ones seem to be completely yellow, no tinge of green in this. And then we have the yellow changing to orange. So here it is, these have yellow and orange both. So we have something like fire red in these leaves, you can see. And then after fire red you can see some of these leaves, these having a dark blood red tinge into them. Here you can see, yeah, here I have more darker red leaves. So here I have 4 different leaves that I just collected. So you can see the colors of these 4 leaves. This one is dirty green, this is yellow, and this one kind of fire red, and this one dark blood red. Also I have prepared these 4 extracts out of these 4 kinds of leaves. These extracts are made in isopropyl alcohol. So this one, for the green leaf, you can see the color is totally green, like a kind of fluorescent green. And here for the yellow leaves, and then for the fire red or the orange leaves, and here for the last one a bit darker red, or you may say brown red. So the question lies here is why on earth these 4 colors appear during the fall. Something very absurd that happens during the fall to the leaves is that the petiole that attaches to the leaf actually gets blocked due to the formation of a cork tissue on the petiole, and thus the nutrient supply to the leaves gets blocked, and that causes the chlorophyll that gives the green color to this leaf to break down and expose all the other pigments. So that proves that the leaf not only contains the chlorophyll, initially it also contains some yellow, some orange pigments too. This extract shows only chlorophyll in a leaf which is not affected by the fall, and the second leaf, if you see, has no chlorophyll at all. So in this leaf, the pigments like the carotenoids that may include the beta carotene, which is orange in color, and the xanthophylls, which are yellow in color, so these are exposed. Also, what happens after the carotenoids are exposed is something that is expedited by light. So when the metabolic activity of the leaves in fall comes to a standstill due to the lack of nutrients in the leaf, the sugar molecules present inside the leaf sap start reacting with some other molecules and form what is known as anthocyanin, and this reaction actually takes place under sunlight. So more the leaf is exposed to sunlight, greater the production of anthocyanins, and anthocyanins actually give a dark red color to the leaf. So this leaf shows the beginning of the development of anthocyanins, and you can see the color here which is slightly red. That's the proof for anthocyanins. And this one has a whole lot of anthocyanins produced. That means this leaf has been exposed for a long time to the sunlight, and here you can see a darker red tinge. So if you carefully notice, these kind of pigments, that is the carotenoids and the chlorophyll, are initially present in the leaf, but anthocyanins form only once fall sets. An interesting thing I want to point out here is about the anthocyanin pigment. Now this anthocyanin pigment is special in that it is an pH indicator. So in acids it is supposed to have a red color, and in the basic or alkaline medium it is supposed to have a slightly bluish or violet color. So let's look that out. I have some baking soda solution in this, and let's try this out if it works. Okay, you can see the color has turned slightly greenish. Now let's try to just reverse the color of this indicator by adding an acid. I'm adding this vinegar into this. Yes, it does. So this proves that this sample, like these leaves, are having anthocyanins. So you can see it's back from green to red. So this actually is also visible during the fall in the leaves that have anthocyanins, in the fact that if the soil or the medium of the leaves is very alkaline, you will see a slight violet purplish tinge into the color of the leaves, and if the soil is a little acidic, then the leaves appear more red. So this was a colorful video with the colorful leaf pigments of the fall. So thank you for watching this video and enjoy the fall. Okay, now something cool I want to do this at the end is that I'll mix all these four pigments and let's see what color do we get. So that means when all the other pigments are present, including the chlorophyll, it appears that the leaf is actually always green.